guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to prepare for you a keto broccoli casserole. So let me get started. Mustard, evaporated milk, cream cheese, and cheddar cheese. Those are the ingredients that I will use today, plus salt and pepper. And you did see the 1 egg there, 1 egg. Now I'm gonna add the broccoli and the cauliflower rice to the skillet so it can cook. I just added the bone broth, chicken bone broth to the skillet, and I'm gonna add the cauliflower rice and the broccoli to the skillet. Okay, here's the cauliflower rice I'm gonna use here. It's got 3 carbs. It was 12 ounces. And this is the one I'm using. This is the broccoli that I'm using in the broccoli casserole. This is 12 ounces. Paprika, cayenne pepper, onions, mustard, evaporated milk, cream cheese, and I added about 2 cups of bone broth to the skillet. I'm going to chop up half of this onion and place it in the skillet with the broccoli and cauliflower. I added 1 ounce of cream cheese. I'm going to add a pinch of cayenne. I'm going to add a teaspoon of paprika. Chopped up the onions. I'm going to add a teaspoon of mustard. It's kind of hard to come out, so bear with me. Mix up everything. I'm going to taste it. I'm going to taste it right now just to see how salty it is. It's not salty at all. Okay, let me add some salt. I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt. And a teaspoon of black pepper. We're going to mix that up and let it cook a little bit more. Okay, I'll let it cook down some. So I'm going to add about a half a cup of cheese to it. I'll mix that up. Added some about a cup of cheese to it. And now I'm gonna add this 1 egg. Okay, just added the egg, mixing it up again. And I'm gonna add the remainder of the cheese on top. I'm using 3 cups of cheddar cheese on. I placed the broccoli casserole in the oven on 350 degrees for 35 minutes. While the broccoli casserole is cooking, I'm making some beef and also some turkey burgers to go along with the casserole. I didn't have to use the evaporated milk because I had enough bone broth, so I didn't have to add any additional liquid. But if you don't have that much bone broth, you could add some evaporated milk when you get ready to bake it. Get ready to taste this. Oh, it smells so delicious in here. I'll go ahead and taste the broccoli casserole. It is so good. It really just melts in your mouth. It's just that good. The broccoli's tender. Cauliflower rice is very tasty. Everything is good. I'm gonna sit down and have my dinner now. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.